In today's video, I want to guide you on how to move any file from your PC computer to external drive like your flash drive, storage hard disk, and the rest. This is very simple. Go to wherever you store your file. Let's say you want to send any file. Then let me open my file explorer. Then let me go to any of the folder I want to send here. Let me go to this one, CapCut edit. So I want to move this into an external disk. So let me open another window here. Let's click this window. Now let's bring it here. So we're going to have two windows here, one here, one here. So this is the file I want to transfer to an external drive or flash drive on my device. I want to move this to I want to move this file into external drive, my flash drive. Then come to this side, click your computer. You see if you have any drives here, you have it. Now once you done that, then insert your external drive, your flash drive, to your PC using the PC ports. Then wait a few seconds. You're going to have it here. You can see that the C drive has pop up here. So you need to open this, open it. Now you have it here like this. If you have another file here, you have it. Now I want to move this folder here. You can do it in two different ways. First, you can click on it and drag to this place and wait a few seconds. You've copied it into this place. Then you can as well click on it like this, then Ctrl X, that is cuts, come to this place, Ctrl V or paste, it will move it here in a moment. Let's wait for it, and it's going to move this into this place in a very few moments. So that's all. You've been able to transfer folder from your PC or file from your PC to your external drive like flash drive and external hard disk. That's all, guys. You've been able to do that. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.